Good morning, Pebbles Restaurant. This is Abby speaking. How may I help you?
I would like to reserve a table reservation, please.
Sure. May I please have your name?
My name is Wendy Malabanan.
May I know when would you like to have your reservation? At what time would you like to make a reservation?
I would like to have a reservation on August 29, 2025 at 7 o'clock p.m.
How many guests would you like make the reservation for?
Reservation for 10 person.
Please hold for a moment, Miss Malabanan, while I'll see the availability of your request.
Okay.
I'm sorry to put you on hold, Miss Malabanan. Would you prepare to sit on smoking area or non-smoking area?
I prefer in a smoking area.
May I request your cell phone number, please?
0912224723.
May I ask if there is any special event to celebrate it?
We will be celebrating the 50th birthday of our mother.
Noted. Are there any special arrangement would you like us to prepare?
Yes, there is.
Miss Malabanan, I am pleased to confirm your reservation on August 29, 2025 at 7 p.m. for 10 person in a smoking section.
Yes, got it.
This is to advise that you would be giving 30 minutes holding time to reservation time of arrival. If there would be a further delay, please notify us in advance to hold your reservation.
Okay, noted.
Ma'am, please be notified that full-length trouser and skirt with sleeve required for gentlemen.
Okay, noted.
Miss Malabanan, to complete your reservation in Pebbles Restaurant, we suggest that you come 15 minutes ahead of our reservation time to enjoy our sample and exclusive wine.
Okay, noted.
Thank you for calling Miss Malabanan. We look forward to welcoming you at Pebbles Restaurant.
Thank you. I am looking forward at your restaurant. Have a nice day.